Hello friends! Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to make stuffed green chilies with gram flour. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Here we have taken 250 grams of fresh green chilies and 1 bowl of gram flour. First, we are turning on the stove and placing a pan on it. Now, we are adding mustard oil into the pan. In our village, mustard oil is mostly used for cooking. Friends, the oil is hot now. We are adding 1 bowl of gram flour into the pan. Roast it well on medium flame. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Rural India USA, so you never miss a new video. The gram flour is roasted well. Now, we are adding salt to taste. Adding ½ teaspoon of red chili powder and a pinch of asafoetida. Adding ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well with a spatula and take it out on a plate. Now, add a little water into the gram flour so that it becomes moist. Mix it well. Since the gram flour is hot, we are mixing it with a spoon. It still needs a little more water, so we are adding some more. Mix it again. Now, we are making slits in the green chilies with the help of a knife. In the same way, slit all the chilies. All the chilies are ready with slits. Now, we are stuffing the roasted gram flour into each chili. Friends, all the chilies are stuffed now. We are lighting the stove again, adding mustard oil into the pan again. Once it's hot, we will fry the chilies. Friends, the oil is hot now. We are adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we are adding the stuffed chilies one by one. Stir them gently with a spatula. Keep the flame medium so the chilies don't burn and cook evenly. We are adding the remaining gram flour into the pan and covering it with a plate for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the chilies with a spatula and cover again for 2 minutes. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. Friends, the chilies are perfectly cooked now. Turn off the stove and take out the chilies on a plate. Friends, here are our stuffed fried chilies ready on the plate. We will enjoy them with wheat flatbreads. These are whole wheat flatbreads, and we are spreading ghee on them. These are the stuffed fried gram flour chilies. In this bowl, we have fresh milk. Now it's time to enjoy milk, flatbreads, and stuffed fried chilies together. Friends, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!